Ndarama cia meendekithia ma kugarura Gatiba muthenya wa muthe cikuhuragirwo mwena wa Migori kuria mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga egutongoragia kampeini cia murirukia wa federa ya kiama giake mbitikaini ya kuihuria giturwa gia seneta wa Migori.
We have a new constitution, but that new constitution, like many other new constitutions all over the world, requires to be relooked at after 80 years of experimentation.
William Ruto has no choice but to follow. But if he says no, we will defeat him the same way we defeated him in 2010 when he said no.
Uhuru alikuwa hana njia nyingine, na ndio Raila akaenda baada akasema tunaunga mkono. Kalonzo akaenda akasema tunaunga mkono. Lakini mimi nasema Kalonzo na Raila wangesema sisi kama viongozi wa upinzani tunakataa, lakini viongozi ongeza serikali ni hapa.
I have come to the conclusion that anyone can lead as long as they are willing to be led. And anyone who is not willing to be led is not made of the material to lead.
Ndereti ya kugarura Gatiba ni yapitie kunyita urugari nyumba-ini ya guthondeka watho riri ambunge mambiririe gutemania mogaruruku maria mangienda kuona firingi ya referendum ya huhwo. Mubunge wa Ndia George Kariuki akiendekithia kaunti cinyihio kuma 47 nginyagia 12 o kaunti gathura maseneta meri muthuri na mutumia nacio honge cia ugima wa mwiri githomo na waki wa barabara citigirwo thirikari nene. Mubunge wa Munini Chris wa Malwa arenda muthenya wa githurano ucenjio nginyagia Jumatatu ya gatatu ya mweri wa Dithemba ya mwaka wa githurano. Mubunge wa Mugirango ya ithwiro Vincent Mugaka arenda namba ya maminista nyihio nginyagia 12 nake muru nawe wa Soi Caleb Kositani arenda bunge ya seneti yeherio na iturwa ciothe cia bunge na ma MCA aguthukio iteanirio.
If the Kenyan people feel that there is something that needs to be corrected in our new constitution, then it is the people who will decide. And nobody can stop an idea whose time has come. The time to relook at our constitution is now.
No meendekithia ma mubunge wa Tiati William Kamket nimo matuthurite urugari arendekithia guthondekwo giturwa gia prime minister wina mahinya uri uritongoragia thirikari bunge gacagura president utari na hinya uri tungataga kwa ihinda ria miaka 7 kainuka na handu ha giturwa kia munini wa president. Kamket arenda guthondekwo iturwa igiri cia nini ya prime minister na mo maseneta magathuragwo ni ma MCA.
As a consequence of what we call the Building Bridges Initiative, the team is going to go around the country to collect views of the Kenyan people. So the people of Kenya can tell them what is it that need to be corrected in our constitution.
Gitama gia kugarura Gatiba riu nikiarire na mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga aroiga ati kiria gitigarite ni kuona no ugukorwo ari wa mbere gubucia. Kiribotera Inoro TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Migori, Jitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.